Hello and welcome to IT Classroom. Honorable friends, subscribers and guests, IT Classroom is back with another jaw-dropping video. It's my pleasure to see you once again. Before we start this video, I would like to thank you all for continuous support. If you are new to my channel or still not subscribed, please subscribe. It will help me a lot to keep creating educational quality content for you. If you are installing Windows and you are stuck at the screen where no drives can be found during installation, don't bother. It's a known issue. Actually, culprit behind this problem is Intel IRST, Intel Rapid Storage Technology Driver, which is not integrated inside Windows installation media. Already I did a video on the issue, link in the description below. Today we will use a different approach. We will move one step further. Today we will integrate or bake IRST drivers in Windows installation media. This technique is called slipstreaming. Slipstreaming of drivers into Windows installation media. The video will not be limited to IRST drivers. Additionally, you can download all system hardware drivers and integrate inside installation media. Even server admins can also include proprietary RAID drivers for HP, Dell, Lenovo, IBM servers. Let's start the demonstration without further delay. Launch browser of your choice. We need to download 3 components. First, Windows installation media. Download Windows 11, scroll down and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition. Click on download, select your region. My language is English International, 64-bit download. Click on download. I will not continue here download, I have already downloaded. So I will cancel this one. Exit. I have Windows 11 ISO already downloaded. Next thing, we need 7-zip. Download the latest edition, 64-bit. Download complete. And we need NTlite. Download 64-bit also. Download complete. Now install all the softwares. Go to download section. Install NTlite. I accept the agreement. Next. And create shortcut on the desktop. And don't launch. Finish. And install 7-zip also. .7-zip is installed. Close. Now in next step we need IRST drivers. Actually there are multiple ways to obtain device drivers. Computer technicians and system builders can download common drivers using Intel website. For individuals, it is always recommended to download drivers from manufacturer website. Manufacturers like HP, Dell give you option to download driver packs. We can go to Intel website, intel.com, and then go to downloads. Then select memory and storage. And choose drivers. You can see here generation 8 and 9th, 10 and 11, and 12 to 15. You have to select generation upon your hardware. I have generation 11 here, so I have to select generation 10 and 11. Click on download. Download setup IRST. Let's copy the driver. Downloads setup IRST. I will copy here in this tools. So now our next object is to extract the drivers. So the best way, double click, and it will not give you the drivers, it will give you just this notification. So go to start, go to run, write as it is temp and %, and press enter. So now you can arrange by date modified and look the last directory RST, and above RST you will have some random letters. Double click, it will ask you for the permission, say continue. You will find drivers. Actually there is a command also, so we will use the command. I did also already in my previous video. I extract the drivers using command line. We will copy the drivers in separate folder, because once you close quit, it will automatically delete the drivers from the temporary folder. See, it's deleted. So you must copy to some other location before the drivers get deleted. So we have to run the setup again. And this time this random folder 504x drivers, copy, and I will paste here. Now you can close the notification, quit. Now we will see how to extract drivers using command line. Go to tools folder, open text file command, and copy the command. It says it will extract the files in C root, folder name RST. So we must make a folder in C drive, in the root, folder name RST, Rapid Storage Technology. And we must copy setup RST in root RST. And note, go to the address bar, must be from RST folder. In the address bar, write cmd and paste the command here. Paste. I will write the command in the description box also. Now, after pressing enter, it extracts the exe. So go to RST folder and see here, it extracts the drivers. So these are the drivers, VMD controller. Now we will see one more method how to extract RST driver. Just right click, and previously we installed 7-zip. So 7-zip give you an option to extract files. Setup extract to setup RST. So this is setup RST. The funny thing here, you will find only text file, because Intel they encrypted the file. Not encrypted, they archive the file. So you need to extract one again, and this time it will give you drivers. So this is the third method. For your convenience, I have already uploaded the extracted drivers to file sharing website. The link in the description below. Just download the file and extract. Then copy the folder to the tools on desktop, tools folder, and paste. You will find all the generations, generation 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 15. Since everything is ready now, let's move to the main topic and open the magic software NTlite. It will ask you for the user license, select free, limited and non-commercial. Then it will give you a notification, update available, cancel, and it will show you currently deployed Windows folder. My Windows is deployed in C drive. Now you have option here, add. It says image. We have an image file in tools folder, Windows 11 image. Go to tools folder and select Windows 11 image. Now you will see two options, operating system, install.vim, and here boot.vim. First we have to inject drivers in boot.vim. According to Microsoft, the only drivers that should be considered for integration into boot.vim are boot critical drivers like mass storage and some chipset drivers, nothing else. Also, boot.vim has two parts. One is Microsoft Windows PE and another one Microsoft Windows Setup AMD 64. If you want your Windows to see the local hard drive, the necessary drivers must be loaded to Microsoft Windows Setup. Windows Setup is the installer application that prepares your computer for Windows installation, which guides users through the process, including selecting installation, configuring partitions, and copy necessary files to the hard drive. Windows Setup relies on Windows PE environment to run, whereas Windows PE is a small operating system to install, deploy, and repair Windows. When your PC cannot boot and you want to troubleshoot, that time you use Windows PE. So first we need to load this one, system setup. Once it is fully loaded, it will give you green dot, and then you need to go to driver section and add directory, then generation 8 to 9, again generation 10 to 11, and again generation 12 to 15, and then go to apply and process. Before you process, just check. There is the option here, reply task across editions, and you have an option here, integrate drivers. So if you are going to integrate all the editions, it will take a long time. So just select which edition you want to use. Suppose you have a license for Windows 11 Pro, select Windows 11 Pro, and boot.vim Microsoft Windows Setup is already selected. Now Windows PE is remaining, so select Windows PE 2, and rest of the editions you are not going to use, so we can delete later. So click on process, and here you can select create ISO also. So after integrating the drivers, it will automatically create a ISO file also. So choose the location. I have tools, so just write the name of the ISO file. It will generate Windows 11, and click save. It will ask for the label also. I will write IRST and OK. And finally you can say, or go to image and delete all these unnecessary editions which you don't want, like home edition, delete. Now select one by one all the editions and delete, except Windows 11 Pro. Once all the editions are deleted, go to apply and click on process. Start applying pending changes, say yes. All the compilation procedures are completed successfully. Let's grab the final copy of bootable Windows ISO with IRST drivers integrated from Tools folder. Excellent. Now next procedure to test the bootable Windows ISO is to make bootable flash drive using the world's most widely used open source and free software called Rufus. Head over to Rufus website, type in your browser Rufus IE, then go to download section and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, run the executable, double click. It will ask you for the updates. I will select no. Select bootable Windows ISO IRST image. We will not go in detail about Rufus. It is very smart application. It will detect automatically all settings. If you want to watch detailed video on Rufus, link in the description. Just hit start and make all check marks and say OK. It will ask you to format the drive. Make sure you don't have any important data. If you have any important data, make a backup, because you know data recovery is not an easy option. Click on OK and it will start partitioning and formatting, and then it will start copying all the ISO image. Writing master boot record. I will fast forward the video. Bootable flash is ready. Please don't go anywhere. Video is not finished. Finally, we will test bootable ISO. To test bootable flash drive, you must restart computer in advanced startup mode. To boot PC in BIOS mode, we have multiple methods. Choose which one works best for you. First method, go to settings, then go to system, recovery, and advanced startup. Restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from disk or USB device. This is the first method. Second method, you can use this command. Just copy the command and go to run box, paste the command and hit enter. It will restart the PC in BIOS mode. To go inside BIOS using function keys, press desired function key during Windows startup. For Dell F12, HP F9, Lenovo, Acer, Toshiba uses F12 too, and so on. For more information, check your motherboard's manual. Fourth method, let's restart the PC while holding the shift key. Restart. Keep pressing shift key unless you find please wait. Then you can release the shift key. Then go to troubleshoot, advanced options, UEFI firmware settings, and then click on restart. For demonstration purpose, we are using here Dell Vostro 3910. Let me show you the storage. Currently my storage controller is set to RAID on. But if you want to get rid of IRST driver installation, you can simply choose ASCII NVMe mode, and it will show you all drives without any hassle of IRST driver installation. Please note, some manufacturers make it nearly impossible to turn off IRST controller, especially for laptops. So you will be forced to install IRST drivers. But if you want to enjoy the benefits of RAID, you must enable VMD controller, and then it will be mandatory to install IRST driver. So Windows OS will be able to see all drives. Note, our controller is set to RAID on, and it clearly says storage devices is configured to support RAID functions with VMD controller. When enabled, all NVMe and SATA devices will be mapped under VMD controller. Windows RST Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver must be loaded in order to boot the OS. But be careful, once you change the boot option, that means now OS cannot see the drives. Let's restart the PC using bootable flash. Make sure bootable flash is connected and restart the PC and keep hitting F12. Keep hitting F12 key from the keyboard. Select your bootable. Start Windows installation. Click next. Install now. Setup is starting. I don't have a product key. I accept the agreement. Moment of truth. We will witness together, keep finger crossed. And here we go. Excellent job. All the drives are visible and available without any hassle of manually installing IRST drivers. That's all for now. Please don't forget to look at the video description area for download links and for any updated instructions. Subscribing to the channel is recommended and will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. I am sure the given information will be valuable and helpful in the near future. Please subscribe the channel for more upcoming awesome videos. Leave your feedback in the comment section and don't forget to click the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new video uploads. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Keep watching.